Well, now we have an unboxing event for a floor mat for the new 1959 General Motors cars. It's made by Fleetwood, and it's available in Fort Worth at Astro Auto Parts and Cragen Auto Parts for $19.99 in 1959. Anyway, I bought this from a friend of mine, and we'll see how well it works. I've got carpet for this thing, and I've got new seals, but until I get everything sealed up good, I don't like having that carpet in there because it holds water and gets wet, because these 59s are bad about leaking. But I would like to have a floor mat for the floorboard, so this looks neat. We'll see. Hold on for a second. Wow, so pretty. Looks like it's cut right, but it's yellow. I have a pink and white car with a green seat, and I guess now it's going to have a yellow floor mat. But as I've said in past videos, it's a 1959 Chevrolet Impala. General Motors did whatever they wanted with this car. So can I. Let's see how it fits. Wow, there you have it. It looks lovely. And they did a really good job. They trimmed it in such a way to where it does fit at least the 59 Chevrolet. Look, that's where the gas pedal goes. And it's cut to where it goes around that. Still got this area over here where the dimmer switch is. And it's cut, trimmed down so that it doesn't wad up and get behind the brake pedal. Still real pliable. Very nice. Oh, something cool. Check this out. 99,976 miles. It's about to roll over to 100,000 miles. I got a weight on there to try to help it calm down and settle in better. Hey, this beats the metal floor until I finish sealing the car up. Soon I'll make a video of this car rolling over 100,000 miles, like I did the Gold 57 Chevrolet. What an occurrence. Green seat, yellow floor mat, gray dash, pink and white 59 Chevrolet Impala. Oh yeah, I love it. Thanks for watching.